Welcome to Code Dev Pay Academy. In this lesson, we are going to look at mail merge in Microsoft Word. You'll learn how to create personalized letters, emails, labels, and even certificates, all from a single document, using data from sources like Excel. If you've ever had to send the same message to many people and update the name or details each time, mail merge is going to save you a lot of time. What is mail merge? Mail merge allows you to combine a standard Word document with a list of data so that each copy of the document is customized for a different person. You can use it to send letters, emails, labels, envelopes, and certificates. These documents pull information from a data source like Excel, Access, or your Outlook contacts. There are three main parts. First, the main document. This is your letter, certificate, or email. Second, the data source, usually an Excel file or CSV file with the details of your recipients. And third, the merge fields, which are placeholders like first name or email that get replaced with real information. Preparing your data source. Before we start merging, let's set up the data. In Excel, create a simple table. Use column headers like first name, last name, address, and so on. Each row should represent a person you're sending to. Make sure you save the file and close it before switching to Word. After that, open Word and write the main document. Starting the mail merge. Now, let's go into Microsoft Word. Click the Mailings tab and choose Start Mail Merge. Pick the type of document you want to create. For now, let's select letters. Next, click Select Recipients. Then use an existing list and choose the Excel file you created. Word will now connect your document to your data. Inserting merge fields. Click Insert Merge Field and choose the fields you want to add, like first name or city. You can type your message normally and just add the fields where needed. For example, Dear First Name, thank you for attending our event in City. Previewing the merge. Use the Preview Results button to check how your document looks with real data filled in. You can scroll through to see how each copy of the document will appear for different people. Finishing the merge. When everything looks good, click Finish and Merge. You can choose to print directly or edit individual documents first. If you're sending emails, you'll also see an option to send through Outlook. Just make sure your email column is selected. Using Mail Merge for emails. The process is the same, but choose email messages instead of letters in step 1. In the final step, choose Send Email Messages. Make sure to provide to, select the column with email addresses, e.g., email. Subject line. Format, HTML usually works best. Using Mail Merge for certificates or labels. Mail Merge also works for more visual tasks like certificates and product labels. For certificates, just design a layout in Word with the name, course, and date, and insert the merge fields like before. For labels, go to Start Mail Merge greater than Labels and pick your label type. Then connect your data and insert the fields. Let's quickly demonstrate how to use Mail Merge for emails and certificates. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some quick tips. If Word doesn't recognize your field names, use match fields. If the wrong values are showing, double-check your Excel headers. And always close the Excel file before using it in Word. Practice time. Take a moment to try a small mail merge yourself. Write a basic letter, connect to an Excel file, and insert 3 fields. Preview and complete the merge. That's it for this lesson. You've now learned how to use mail merge to save time, personalize your documents, and create professional communications in just a few steps. Thank you for choosing Code Dev Pay Academy.